I'm gonna get on Instagram and act a fool. Okay, follow me on Instagram at Honey the Poet. Okay. Fair warning, I am not a makeup artist. I really don't know what I'm doing, but let's see what we got here. Okay. This is Milan's eyebrow dip thing, whatever, in dark brown. Just using the side of the brush to brush down my edges. Did I say edges? Wow. Toy Story what? There's a Toy Story 4 coming out. But yeah, I'm just brushing down my hair. I like to do it like that. Oh wait, am I outlining? I'm already outlining? Okay, so I'm outlining the sides of my eyebrows. Y'all, I'm not good at these voiceovers, but I don't like to do them more than once. Yeah, I'm just outlining the shape of my eyebrows with this. I like to make little sharp edges towards the top or the beginning of my eyebrow. Listen, I don't know how to describe this. I am not a beauty. I said booty guru. I'm not a beauty guru, but yeah, this is what I do with my eyebrows. I'm just filling it in as I'm sharpening it out. I guess. I guess that's how I'm gonna say that. Girl, I really don't be knowing what I'm doing with my makeup. I'm telling you, like I just go along with it. But it look good so far. Like I like the little shape of my eyebrow there. Yes. Okay. I think I'm actually doing something there. It looks cute so far. But yeah, I'm just filling in my eyebrows though. That's all. It looks nice though. Y'all don't see how sharp it look? It looks sharp. Ooh. Okay. I think I did my eyebrows nice that day. This looks cute. Okay. 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 AF. But yeah, I'm just filling it in. I usually don't fill it in that dark. I try to like make the beginning of my eyebrow look more natural. That's why I'm brushing it up like that, because I just kind of take away some of the sharpness at the beginning, and then yeah, I do that. I add that little thing right there. What I be doing, I don't know. Ooh, it looks cute even without the concealer. Okay, Raven. With my eyebrows. You hear that? Yeah, I don't like super defined. I like it look natural. And I'm just doing the same thing to the other side, so that's why I'm speeding it up a little bit. Don't y'all can't stand when one eyebrow don't look like the other? That'd be like so annoying because I would have one looking bomb and the other one be alright. Ooh, why am I looking like that? But yeah, it's always that eyebrow. It's always that one eyebrow that gives me problems. And it's always this one. Like, that irritates the titties out of me. Like, that makes my titties numb. Ugh. If your titties ever been numb, that's a very irritating feeling, trust me. You know nothing. Oh, wait. That's the wrong part. Y'all, I'm be back real quick. Finally got the right concealer. I went to Ulta. Yeah, scratch that. She was dead wrong. Like that was kind of too dark. But I should have known because that girl, she didn't even look like she knew what she was doing. She looked like she was just working there. You can do this, but it's nothing without the concealer. I don't even know too much about makeup. Period. I heard it was best to go like 2 shades lighter for your concealer. I don't know. I kind of like when my concealer is natural. Like I like the highlighted glow. I gotta fill that in. But I like the highlighted glow look, but I like it when it's more neutral because it looks more natural when I get concealer that's really matching my skin tone. If you look like that, that looks like it's a little bit too dark. It has like a orangish yellow tone. I don't know. That wasn't for me though. But yeah, I do the same thing with the concealer I do to my eyebrows. Just outline them like that. Ooh, that eyebrow looks so bomb. Oh my god. I love that eyebrow. I just want to kiss it. Like, that eyebrow needs to be how my eyebrows look every day. On my freaking eyebrows, y'all. Do y'all ever do that? That irritates the shit out of me when I get the concealer on my eyebrows. Ooh, I'll be so mad. I'm so tired of hearing LMA boot up. For real. Love Ray Woods. But now I'm just blending it out with this big old brush. I don't know. I got that from like the Dollar Tree. Listen, I don't know too much about makeup, but it's blended out good. Look at that. I love seeing blending out processes. That is like so satisfying. I don't even really like makeup like that, but watching something blend into your skin is just like so satisfying. It looks like it's perfect on camera, but in person, I don't know. Definitely in person, like it was way darker. Like it really does look better on camera, but like I swear in person it was way darker. I think I added some different concealer. I used too much. When I conceal my eyebrows, I don't like to use a lot of concealer. When I use a little bit, it looks more natural. I don't like it all. I have to blend it all over my face, and then on top of that, I just feel like I can't stand having to like blend it all over my face. I don't like putting too much concealer on because then I have to like blend it to my down near my forehead and to my eyes. I don't like doing that. Like I like putting like a little line on it and it's good like that. And like I said, I don't like the too clean look because I want it to look natural as possible. Try to wipe some of it off. Makeup wipes are so helpful when you are doing your makeup. Like, that's honestly one of the best things you can have on hand when you're doing eyebrows or anything with makeup, honestly. That saves my life when I put on too much concealer. It just makes it look more natural as soon as I take it off. One of my so-called flaws is that I don't listen, I guess. Sometimes I don't listen. I'm not gonna, disguise it. Sometimes, like, my ways is I don't listen. I kind of like, I don't listen to other people. I kind of like listen to myself. And, I think that's one of my flaws. I don't know. That was just something I was thinking about. Like, everybody got their own flaws. Everybody, got things that, make them human. And one of mine is I just really don't listen to nobody but myself, which is a good and a bad thing. I'm gonna use this smaller one to define or like. Oh no. This is why it's important to wash your brushes, people. There's layers of makeup on this fucking brush. I honestly don't even know why I was doing this. I guess I was trying to define my brows or something, but whatever I did, honey, it made it work. Okay. Yeah, not sure. Got my rose water. It's like a primer for my face. Like it just sets everything in and it hydrates the skin. Just hydrates my face. See, told you. Hey, looking cute. Yes. Now to complete the look, we gotta add some lashes. Stay tuned for my eyelash line that's coming out, ladies. It's coming out soon. Got the eyelashes for the Lolo. Y'all, I was so surprised I did this on camera for the first time. Well, this isn't the first time. This isn't my first Get Ready With Me. I have a couple of films for you guys, so continue to stay tuned. But I did good for putting my eyelashes on because, honey, it took me forever to learn how to put on eyelashes. Like, this girl that I used to be cool with, she used to always put my eyelashes on for me. And now I'm used to it. You see how the makeup wipes come in handy? Because, yes, girl, I can't stand that. Always be the best. Yes, we put on that first eyelash and it come out perfect. Oh, that be hyping you up. You probably got up. How you acting like you mad, dizzy, bitch? What? I love Tokyo Jess. Okay, boo. But yes, just like that eyebrow, that eyelash gives me a hard time when I put it on that one, on that side. Like that whole side gives me a hard time with everything. Seriously, the only thing that does right for me is my edges. But the eyebrow, the eyelash, can't stand it. So, well, I just need some love. You hear that, babe? I just need some I just need a thug. Okay, looking cute, boo. No. Oh, no, I do not want to hear that song. Please, no. This matte lipstick is from NYX lingerie line and Baby Doll. It's a pale pastel pink color. And then I'm adding this chocolate color. I don't know the name of it, from e.l.f. It was from Walmart for like $2, so I just grabbed it because it was cute. But yes, I'm blending it in. Adding some more. This lip combination is my favorite, y'all. Especially when y'all see the blending. When it blends in, honey, it just goes to 100. Ah! Love it. My lips fat. I love it. Now I'm about to blend it in. I love that little combination. And now that's the final look, y'all. Look at my big headed self. Girl, I was feeling myself. Okay, but stay tuned for more videos like this. And if you want to see more videos like this with specific looks, please let me know, y'all. I didn't even go outside either. I was just cute in the house like I always am. But thank y'all for watching, my love does. Stay tuned for more. I love you guys very much. Have a beautiful day, beauty.